So you've driven your Colorado enough to make the front brakes squeal. Well, the good news is they're pretty straightforward to replace, if the front bolts decide to play nice. Put on your work gloves and let's get straight into it. The first step is to lift the truck. Start by loosening the lug nuts on the wheel you're going to remove. Just break them loose, don't back them all the way out, you'll do that after you lift the truck. So lift the truck from its lift points and then slide a jack underneath. With the wheel suspended, you can back out the lug nuts the rest of the way. The next step is to remove the caliper. There are two 18mm bolts attaching the caliper to the steering knuckle. They're on there tight, so pull out the breaker bar if you have one. You're going to need it. Step 3 is to replace the rotor. The rotor is held in place with a single torque screw. It'll come right off after it's backed out. So spray down the rotor with brake cleaner to get all the grease and oil off of it. I bet you could smell that brake cleaner through the video. I bought the original rotor from GM, but it never arrived. Instead, I had to go make friends with the parts department at the local Chevy dealer, and they were able to source it in a couple hours. Step 4 is to replace the brake pads. So the brake pads are secured to the caliper with a pin, and that pin is locked in place with a retaining clip. Pull that retaining clip out, and then you'll be able to use a thin screwdriver to help slide out that pin. It'll have some tension on it because of the clip. Using a caliper spreader, retract the caliper piston. Since I replaced the rotor, I'm going to actually push the piston as far back as it'll go to make sure there's enough room when I reinstall the caliper. Now before the last step, we got to reassemble everything. Follow the steps in reverse to put it all back together. Putting the brake pads back on is a little tedious, so you'll need some patience and maybe an extra hand to help hold things together. The last step is to seat the brake pads. After you've finished reassembling, you'll need to seat the brake pads. Before you bring the vehicle off the lift, check the brake fluid reservoir and top it off if you need to. Jump into the driver's seat and start pumping the brakes lightly. It should sink pretty far down, but keep pumping until the brake pedal is back at a normal level. Alright, and you're all set. Now before you drive off, don't forget to tighten up the lug nuts once you bring the vehicle off the lift. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button, leave a comment, and subscribe if you want more Colorado content. Alright, thanks for watching.